What's up, fam? Welcome to another episode of Feasting with the Fam. Today's special guest is my best friend, Rebecca.
Hi, everyone.
And today we're
making curry vegan wraps.
Tasty. All right, so go ahead and let us know what ingredients that you use to make your vegan curry wrap.
Okay.
Curry vegan wraps. Curry vegan
curry.
hot slurry, whatever you want to call it.
So we start off usually with Slap Your Mama, and honestly, we try to go and pick up, a lot of the seasonings that I do use for this, but sadly, Walmart was sold out.
Try to lie.
Yeah. So off the dome, I do know that we use Goya, Slap Your Mama, garlic salt, cayenne pepper, Mrs. Dash, and we do use like avocado oil, but any oil usually works. Just make sure it's not olive oil because that's pretty strong. But we're starting out with, and the curry powder that I do use, this is very much a substitute. I'm not gonna lie. You would be better off getting a cheap curry. That's like the original go-to curry powder that we always use. So shout out to cheap curry. But right now we're gonna use garlic powder. We're gonna use McCormick's curry powder. Mrs. Dash, obviously, cayenne pepper. This is some onion powder, and then we're gonna use some vegetable oil. So we have onions and assorted, colored peppers, and then we use regular flour tortilla. And we're just gonna bring it together and make it a good meal. Honestly, something quick and something easy and something tasty. Oh yeah, we just poured some oil in here, so we're gonna fry the tortilla. And let's see. Yeah, it sounds like it's ready to go. Alright, so this is how you want your tortilla to look on both sides, just until it's golden brown. You usually make sure that the oil is hot before you put it in. And when you put it in, just for example, you can hear the sizzle. So that's how you know it's ready. Okay, so we're getting ready to cook the filling for the curry vegan wraps, y'all. So you want to put in enough oil. You can still add as you go, but you definitely want to base it and cover the pan with the oil to start off. All right. So in goes the peppers. I'm gonna phone it down, y'all, but okay. In goes the peppers and the onions. So I like to load it on the heat a little bit before I start seasoning, just so that it could cook the peppers thoroughly, but I could still play around with the seasonings and add and taste as I go. So we're gonna start. I usually start with the curry, and a little bit more, and it should look like that. That should be alright around. And like I said, you can season to taste.
So Rebecca just sauteed all the peppers as you saw, so now we're just gonna wrap it up.
Cool. So, you gotta take the tortilla. Ready.
It does. I wish you guys could smell it. So would you say this is more of a breakfast snack, lunch, dinner?
To be honest,
Real college student snack. How would you describe?
I would say that it's kind of like you could do lunch, you could do a dinner, breakfast if you like spice. But yeah, it's pretty quick, it's pretty easy, so it kind of works throughout the day.
Yeah, because you want vegan, was this just something that you came up with, or was it something that was like passed to you?
Actually, no. This is something I came up with while being vegan and trying to find something that like incorporated some of the Caribbean stuff that I was, well, the culture that I am, and not miss out on that, make up for the loss of me, of course. But it definitely worked out well. So yeah, let's take it.
Gonna taste it.
Yeah.
I'm sorry, I'm so
That's the way to eat it, Whoopi.
Come on, Sam. That does have a kick to it. That beef. Oh my god. The curry is Cajun. I taste it. Yeah, so you vegans out there, vegetarians, this right here. Wait, yeah. Yeah.
Yeah.
Wow. I approve. Good
job,
sis. Good Well, thank you guys for tuning into another episode of All in the Fam. Thank you, Rebecca, for showing us this quick, simple, easy meal. And yeah.
Make sure you like and comment and subscribe. And if you do make this, take a picture of it so we can see it. Or if you put anything else in there and you're vegan and you're doing it a different way, let us know so we can try it as well. See you guys in the next video. Bye.